Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. Today we're going to look at processing some foraged Washingtonia fruits. Now Washingtonia is called the Arizona fan palm or also the California fan palm. And we harvested some fruits here. And the fruits individually are quite small. And each fruit has in it a seed. And if you can look at it right here, you notice that the seed is rather large in relation to the fruit itself. So basically when we're processing, we've got to get all these seeds out of here, and we just want to keep this part, the fruity part, and get rid of the seeds. Now, it takes a little bit of work, but we're going to do that. My other hat, my Gardening with Soul hat, I have been doing a series of YouTube videos about the palms of the Southwest. And I talked about, oh, look at the Washingtonia, it's so beautiful, and it's such a nice thing to use in the landscape, and they sound wonderful when the wind rustles the leaves. But I said, best of all is the fruit. And here is just the lower section of one strand of fruit. Now, I reached up as high as I could with my little pruners and clipped this off, and I basically got, at least 3 to 5 pounds of fruit here. And there was 5 times this much on the tree. Well, if you just leave it on the tree, it's going to fall all over your patio. Or if the tree is tall enough and you can't reach it with your hand or a ladder, it's going to fall all over your patio. And what do? When it falls all over the patio, you can still use these when they've dried up and fallen off the tree. You just sweep them up. And the first step when you harvest these dates, the first step is to wash them. Wash the dust off, wash the debris off. In the Gardening with Soul video, we saw wasps and flies crawling all over this fruit. So no, I don't want to I will be cooking it, but you can eat these raw. But I would not eat these raw without washing them first, because there's all sorts of life out there in the wilderness, and living things poop, and I don't really want to be eating the poop off some other living thing. Just fact of life, folks. Everything poops. So the first thing we're going to do is I basically took it out of the shopping bag. I threw them all in, and I put them in this basin, and I'm going to just run cold water over them and swish them back and forth a little bit, and let them soak for up to about 5 minutes. And if you're really paranoid, add some white vinegar. Works really well to help clean anything off the fruits themselves. So I'll do a close-up of that, and then we're gonna do a little processing. So washing our fruit. So, been in the water, things pretty much are submerged, and you can see there's things floating. I don't know what those things are. They might be just some skin off the fruits. Just going to let this soak for a while, and then the next step is going to be taking all the fruits off the stems, and they do that. They do it really easy. Look at that. So just let them soak, and by and large, they sink. So the floaties are probably ones that are not viable. It wouldn't sprout and grow a new palm tree. But we're not worried about the palm tree. We just want the fleshy stuff around the seeds. So we're going to use those too. Letting this soak for a while, and we'll come back with the next step.